Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a page in WordPress dashboard and start editing it with Brizy. So on your dashboard, you can see on the left side, there is post, media, pages, comments, contact, and if you have Brizy plugin attached in your dashboard, you can have that settings as well. But we're going to go in the pages, and here there's two pops up. One is all pages and another is add new. So we will press add new, and then it will give us this screen where you can give a title to your page. So we're going to give the title, let's say test, and you know that this page will appear as the name test when you're going to go in the in the in the top bar and press it later. So this one will appear in the menu and also in other places you would like as a link. So you can go directly in the publishing tab, but also you can change the URL slug. What is URL slug? I mean, this is the URL. So it can come as slash test. Also, if you would like, you can change it, like even though the page name is test, you want to remember it, or you want your viewers to see it in a different name as a URL, so that they can relate it. Let's say you are testing the electronic side of your website, so you can write it here, electronics. So now if we publish it, you can see that if we go in the view page, now even though the page name is test, but you can see here the URL becomes the electronics. So we go back again, and now the page has been already created, and as we publish it, you already saw that it can be seen in the URL, even though the slug name we have given electronics. But also you can keep the same name as test in the slug as well. Now as we have the Brizy plugin and we're going to work with Brizy, so you can press here, edit with Brizy. And now we're entering into the Brizy environment, and here you can see that start building your page. So whatever you're going to make as a page, you can actually use this Brizy plugin, and it's all kind of drag and drop options. Here you can see the text, button, icon, video, audio, image, spacer, line, map. When you start working here, you will know the purpose of these things. And this is the section. Now you cannot see anything because you haven't built any page yet. The moment you will build the page, you will see the sections. So let us start building our page. So we press the button above to add blocks. So when you press here, you see already pre-saved blocks from Brizy. You can see here, these are all blocks you can actually use in your page, and they're pretty much awesome. And here, when you're actually pressing the dark on you see the styles. You can go on light and you can choose dark. So dark means the background will be black. And here you can see the saved. If you already saved something that you want to use later, you can also take it from here. Some of them I already saved, that's why you can see here, but most of the cases that you might not have saved anything while you were working, and that's why this place could be empty. Like here, global blocks, I haven't saved any blocks as global, so I don't see anything. I'm going to cover everything, how you can save a block to your saved places that you can use later, because saved thing actually help. Sometimes you're taking the blocks from here. Let's say you have taken some blocks as as these colors, but later on you have changed them into something else, and that's why the saved things actually comes in handy when you're working later. Now, and the layouts, as you understand, is here. You can see that the the icon is showing that overlapping of the pages. That means this is completely long pages that has many blocks. So we actually don't want to talk so much so that you're going to be confused. Rather, we start working. So here you can see create your own. So in the beginning, I'm not going to show you how you can create your own. Instead, first time I'm going to show you the layouts they're using in brizy. So let's go in the layouts. So these are the layouts you can see, and they're just too gorgeous if you want to use them. So let's say we're taking this one. I mean, anyone you can start using, but we can start actually anywhere, taking any of the layouts. These are awesome. So once you press it here, you can see this layout has this one, advisors, have 5 layouts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you hover on each one, you will see what they are actually. This one, homepage, this one, about page, this one, services, this one, pricing, and this one, contact. So if you import this page or this layout, now you can see it actually imported this one. So what did we import? We imported contact page. Now, if you go any website, if you look at their contact page, it's usually come up with this kind of background. So people start shaking their hands together, and the website is giving people the opportunity to actually be contacted with. So usually it writes, contact us, let us know how we can help. And usually there are 1 or 2 forms that one can fill to contact with them. So if, let's say, some person comes to your website and they're giving their email address, phone number, subject, message, and finally send button, it actually goes to you. Now, how your email will be connected to there, we're going to show this as well someday. And here you can see get in touch, contact us. Now here, information, address, schedule, these are all written. And finally, you can also show where your address is located, where your office is located. So this is a good form, and you see you don't have to make anything. These are all created for you. You just called it and it's there. Isn't it amazing? So now we start with a big page. We're going to the layout sections, and the layout we started with and showed the contact from that layout. We again go there, and now we're taking the home page from this layout. And once you press import this layout directly goes into your brizy section where you are working on. And if you look at these layouts, you will be amazed that they are so much perfect. I mean, if you just edit all of these writings, then wow, it's ready for your homepage. I mean, you don't have to really design anything. Yeah, of course, maybe the background is something that doesn't matches with you. Then you go here. Let's say this background picture is not something you are looking for. You need something else. So you can change these little things from this button here. Go here, and here you can see that on the images, you can see the background image. If you cross it, it's not there anymore. Now you go in this, and you can bring some of the images you'd like from the cloud. So here there's already some media images is there. I mean, some of them is uploaded with this whole layout, but still you can choose to upload from your computer. So all kinds of image changing and uploading and resizing, I'll be giving another video one day. But now let's say I would like this one to be the background of my my home page. So I chose this one, and then I go in the selecting options, and it's there, and it's amazing. You see, you didn't actually change yet anything, just you change the background that actually matches your choice or your preference, and then your front page is ready. So in the front page, let's say it's business and financial, but in your case it's electronics, so you can write it electronics. Okay, so once you can write electronics, and then it's ready to be the page for electronics. And you can, instead of consultant, maybe your electronics seller, so you can write seller here, and it's ready to be the electronics seller web page. And why your background is this one? Because you would like to sell computers, and this color is actually matches the background color. So background color is black, and your font has become black, and when it will be up, well, it will be in the website, it will be in the air, people will, it will be hard for people to find it. So what you can do, you can change the color. It's easy. Once you're hovering over it, this is the color, and let's say you make it red, or as the background is black, you can make it white. Now it is much more visible. So you can see there are sections, and how you can understand there are many sections. The moment you're going in another one, there will be popping up another black one on the right side. So that means this one is another section, and this one is another section. And you can also understand the section difference by once you're hovering over it, there will be a plus sign comes along that tells you that you can actually add another section here. But let's say you just want your front page to have 3 sections, not more than that. So let's say you don't want about us section, you can go here and you can delete it. Okay, you want mission vision, you have a front page and you started with this one, you want to show your company's mission and vision, and then finally maybe you would like this contact us, that means front dialogue and then mission vision, and finally contact us. And the rest of the pages you don't want, rest of the sections you don't want, you just go and delete them. What people say, you just go and delete them. And here also this one you don't want. So now it is reduced down into your personal preference, the front banner, and then your mission and vision, and finally the contact us form. So this is something you have taken from template, but you can enhance them and save them for later use. Like you can go there and you can choose to actually change the background color. Let's say, yeah, you want this color to be there. So now, and also in every page you want your mission and vision to appear with the same font, so that it can actually tells your brand, your story. Whoever comes in whatever the pages, they are going to remember that it is you, and it's the same mission and vision with the same fonts, with the same background. So what you can do in this case, you can save it. Okay, so save is that heart button in brizy. So once you save it, it will be saved in the cloud, and you can actually call them again as a section anywhere. So here you can see here when the plus sign appear in between two sections, that means you can add more. So you press there, and remember we have saved one. Okay, and I can imagine that that has been saved. Yeah, here you can see it has been saved already. And now once you press it here, it will go again there. So you can see you have brought it from the saved option. So isn't it amazing working with Brizy? Thank you very much for watching.